Okay, crafties, hello, welcome to another crochet tutorial. My name is Infinity, and today I will be showing you all how to do the treble or the triple crochet. To do today's tutorial, you are going to need a size 7 USA hook or a 4.5 millimeter hook, or you could use really a 5 millimeter hook, but this is the hook that came out of my magic hook collection, so this is what I'm using today. You'll also need some yarn of any size, so whatever you have. You'll need maybe scissors if you're doing a project, or if you're just making a swatch, then that's fine too, and a yarn needle. I would say fray check. You can use the fray check, you can just leave it to the side. I doubt if I use it today. So if you've been keeping up with the agenda over on the coffee page, you would notice that we are like at our second or third to last concept. Woohoo! This would be a great time for you all to start putting in your input, letting me know what you'd like to see, or a project you'd like to get made or via video, and I'll be more than glad to do that. Also, if you guys would like to check out the Craftsy page, I now have the fishnet shawl pattern live on there. It is paid content, but you also get exclusive access to a tutorial on how to complete that project if the written pattern wasn't giving you enough. So without further ado, we'll get started. Again, I ran over the supplies, so what I'm going to do is make a slip knot. My yarn, the color that I am using is called gold. Very pretty. I have surplus of this, so I'm just going to be using this for a while. Sorry if you get tired of the color, but it's nice and bright and it works good with my LED lighting. So I'm going to chain maybe 11, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'm going to do a row of single crochets first. I think that looks nicer with these trebles. Trebles do not mean trouble. Just want to let you guys know that right now. I know if you read my little humorous clip about treble crochets, you were probably looking like, what in the world? A lot of people actually have trouble reading written patterns, which I've come to find out. So I plan on the website over this weekend making a comprehensive list of crochet abbreviations. I also include abbreviations for crochet things on my patterns that I sell, so that my viewers or my audiences aren't necessarily confused about all the seemingly foreign language written in the patterns. Now, if you're a vet, then you're like, ugh, who doesn't know what YOCH4 means, all that, but it's cool. So now I have finished my little row of single crochets. They are curling up on me, but that's normal for single crochets. I am going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're like, whoa, tall stitch. Yep, tall stitch. So I'm going to yarn over twice, like so. And I can do that again because I realize that I do things like second nature. So yarn over once, yarn over twice. And again, like with the double crochets and the half double crochets, you do not want to go into this base because you're going to get that ugly V shape in your project. And unless you're going for expanding your project that way, you want to avoid it. So after we do our yarning over twice, we're going to go into that second stitch, insert our hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. And you should have 4 loops on your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through 2. And we're going to yarn over again. And we're going to pull through the next 2. You should have 2 more loops on your hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through those last 2. And we are going to do that again. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, into the next stitch, pull up a loop. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Gonna yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to continue along that way for the remainder of this row. And then in the next row, I am going to show you how to connect a color at the end of your treble crochets. You want to pay special attention to these trebles. Sometimes you can end up making a double crochet, or at least that's my problem, because like you stop thinking about it so much, and before you know it, you have a whole row of double crochets and you're like, oh darn it. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Am I yarning over twice? No, I'm not. Alright, so I went on and finished that first row of treble crochets, and I went well into another row of them, but now I'm going to show you how to connect with them. So what I'm going to do is yarn over twice and insert my hook, and I'm gonna yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 4 loops on my hook. I'm gonna yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So I'm not completing this treble crochet, but I am grabbing my next color of yarn, which if you're curious is tea leaf green, a red heart super saver. I'm going to form a loop between my thumb and my index finger, and I am going to loop that over my hook and fix my tension, and I'm just going to pull it through and complete that stitch. And so now I have my stitch, and as I went over in the last tutorial, you can connect your you can weave your stitches, your loose ends in as you go along your project so that you don't have to later. So what I'm going to do is yarn over twice, insert my hook, pull up a loop, pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I am going to finish this row, just 2 more treble crochets, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And 1 more. Do the same thing, inserting in the top of that chain 4 and doing our treble crochet. And we have finished that row, and we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram for updates on projects and updates about the website and ICC. Don't forget to check out Craftsy and see what new patterns may be there for you. Alright, so there you go, how to make a treble crochet. Happy crafting!